Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in a previous video we understand the logic for the LeetCode problem number 1929, concatenation of array. So in this lecture we are going to write the C code step by step in the LeetCode web page. So right now we are at the LeetCode web page. So without any delay, let's begin. So first let us write the function given by the LeetCode. So initially they have given the get concatenation of the parameters int nums, int num size and int return. So these functions received input array and its size. So now let us see the answer size. So let me type the code. So I have written return size equal to num size into 2. So why? So because the answer array contains the original array 2 times. So that's why I have written num size into 2. So on the next line we are giving the dynamic memory allocation using malloc function. So let me type the code. So we allocate the dynamic memory allocation for the int answer. So this creates enough space for all elements. So on the next line we are going to type the for loop. So let me type. So I have written for loop int I equal to 0. I is less than num size and I is incremented. So this helps us to visit every element. So let me type the code inside the for loop. So let me type. So I have typed answer of index I equal to num of index I. So this copies the element into the first half. So on the next line we are going to return. So I have written answer of index I plus num size equal to num of index I. So this copies the same element in the second half. So after the loop finishes, we are going to return. So we are going to return the answer. We are going to return answer. Return answer. So that's it. We have successfully written the code. So this is all about the code for concatenation of array of LeetCode problem 1929. So let me run this code. So we have successfully run the code. So let me submit it. So we have successfully submitted the code. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next LeetCode problem.